integrated Speedlite transmitter. The EOS 60D is fully compatible with Canon's wireless eTTL flash system and can trigger off-camera speedlights using its built-in flash. This is the 60D's integrated Speedlite transmitter function, and we'll show you how it operates here. You can enable the integrated Speedlite transmitter in the first shooting menu. Among the basic options you have available are trigger one or more speedlights off camera and have them fire evenly, with or without the built-in flash firing as well. Trigger two or more speedlights and have them fire at different power levels using A to B ratio control, with or without the built-in flash firing independently. Fire one or more speedlights, all firing evenly, and set a power ratio of these versus the built-in flash. Or separately control flash exposure compensation for off-camera speedlights and for the built-in flash. To set up, select Flash Control from the first shooting tab. Press Set. Scroll to Built-in Flash Function Settings and press Set again. Scroll down to Wireless Functions and press Set again. The EOS 60D provides three basic wireless eTTL triggering options. Select Disable whenever you don't want to trigger wireless flashes. The first icon sets ratio control between the 60D's built-in flash and off-camera speedlights. All off-camera speedlights combine as one group, and the built-in flash alone is considered a second group. Once you select this option, press Set and scroll down to the icons for Speedlight to built-in flash ratio. Press Set to enter this and turn the quick control dial to set a ratio. The Speedlight's power is the first digit in the ratios you see in this menu. This setting can be useful if you want fill from the built-in flash and are relatively close to your subjects. The second icon in the wireless function menu permits firing only the off-camera speedlights without the built-in flash firing during actual exposure. This permits using only the off-camera flashes as the source of light. The built-in flash will trigger the slave units, but it won't fire during actual exposure. You can have all speedlights fire evenly at the same power, or you can set up an A to B flash ratio for more control. Scroll down to Firing Group in the menu. Choose All to fire all the external flashes evenly. Choose the A to B option to have ratio control between two groups of external flashes. Note that the A and B slave IDs must be set on each off-camera speedlight. When the A to B option is selected, the scale will become active and you can set the flash ratios right from your camera. The third wireless function icon fires both the built-in flash and external speedlights. In this setting, the built-in flash will fire independently, providing a little fill-in flash while the external speedlights do most of the heavy lifting. The external speedlights can be set to provide even lighting or fire as separate A to B ratio firing groups. You'll control the speedlights in the Firing Group menu setting. For even lighting, scroll to Firing Group and choose External, Flash, All, and Built-in Flash. The off-camera speedlights will all fire evenly with modest fill from the built-in flash. Or, in the Firing Group menu, select A to B ratio. This means the off-camera speedlights will fire at different power levels. Scroll down to the A to B fire ratio menu setting to set the flash ratio among your slave units. Press the Set button and then turn the quick control dial to change the speedlight's power ratio. The built-in flash will provide modest fill light when you are relatively close to your subjects. Whether or not you've set any flash ratios, you can further brighten or reduce the output of your speedlights and or the built-in flash. Independent flash exposure compensation for each is available on the built-in flash function settings menu. To reset all the flash menus to their default settings, simply press the Info button. Highlight OK and press the Set button. The integrated Speedlite transmitter in the Canon EOS 60D makes it possible to trigger off-camera flashes up to 33 feet away, depending on placement of the flashes and surrounding conditions.